How to use the Galanz air fry microwave. Let's air fry. Enhanced air fry technology gives you crispy air-fried food using little or no oil. It utilizes built-in heating elements instead of microwave technology. Place the air fry pan on top of the air fry kit base. Then, place uncooked food on the air fry kit. Finally, place the air fry kit on top of the glass turntable. You can choose from preset auto programs or select your own settings. To use an auto program, choose one of the options listed. Then press Air Fry twice. Press the plus button to select an air fry program, and press Start to confirm. Then press the plus button to select the food weight. To begin cooking, press the Start button. Let's cook with convection. Press convection. Press the plus button to select the temperature. Then press Start to confirm. Press the plus button and press Start to begin preheating. When preheating is complete, the air fry microwave will beep and flash. Place food on top of the glass turntable. Press Start to begin cooking. Let's Combi-Cook. Press Micro plus Convection for Combi-Speed Cooking. Then press the plus button to select temperature. Then press Start to confirm. To select a cooking time, press the plus button. Then press Start to begin cooking. Let's defrost. Press Defrost twice to defrost by weight selection. Press plus button to select defrosting food type. Check the cooking label on the inside of the microwave for your food type. Press plus button to select weight in ounces. Press Start to start the defrost program. Let's reheat with Auto-Reheat. Choose an Auto-Reheat option from the cooking label on the inside of the microwave oven. Press Auto-Reheat. Then press the plus button to select the desired program. Then press Start to confirm. Let's cook with Auto-Cook. Choose an Auto-Cook option from the cooking label on the inside of the microwave oven. Press Auto-Cook. Then press the plus button to select the desired program. Then press Start to confirm. Let's make popcorn. Place popcorn in the microwave. Press the popcorn button. Default time is 2 minutes and 40 seconds. However, you may press the plus or minus button to change the cooking time as desired. Press Start to confirm the cooking time. Let's set the clock. Press and hold the clock timer button. 12-hour will show. Press the plus button to select your desired hour. Press plus button to select your desired minutes. Press Start to confirm the minutes. Now the clock is set. Enjoy!